Hey everyone, hello, good evening, and welcome to the free data analytics and data science batch, data science project by 360DigiTMG. So, congratulations, first of you, in choosing to upskill your career in the field of data analytics and data science. Now, why do we have this internship, this free internship? This is just a contribution of 360DigiTMG to the data science and data analytics community. And this is for all of you, students who just graduated from the college or are in the college or professional who wants to switch their career into data science. Now, how this will be useful for you? First of all, whatever you read or whatever you read till now was theory, completely theory part, right? Of course, you ran your codes, but come on, that was part of theory, right? Now, if you want to see how it works in practical life, you will see there's a difference. There's a vast difference what is in theory and between what is in practical and theory, of course. So you have to bridge the gap, right? To bridge that gap, this free internship is really very much needed and it's really, really useful. So let's start with it. So you must have trained, and of course, there's very high possibility that after your training, you are searching for a job, right? So as we discussed, this data analytics and crisp MLQ free internship, this data analytics and data science free internship is for you, absolutely free of cost. Yes, when we say free of cost, we don't charge anything in any stage of this project. It is completely free for you. So how this data analytics and data internship, free data analytics and data internship works, data analytics and data science internship work. So there will be two phases of this as a part of this internship. First will be the learning phase. Now, you must be thinking that, okay, you already know Python, you already know SQL, you know all the data preliminaries. You have been through that journey, right? So, of course, in your college days or probably while learning somewhere, right? You must have learned all that. But what we do here is we ask you to go through all these again. Phases, right? It may happen that there's a gap between your learning when you learned it and now you're doing project. Of course, there might be a gap. Maybe not for you, maybe for others, but this is for everyone, right? So we recommend this learning phase for Python, SQL, data preliminaries, and that would be a really great refresher for you too, right? Exactly. So when we're talking about this, what will we do here? We will be posting questions on LinkedIn. That will be having assessment. We'll be talking about that in some time. So first of all, the question goes is how to get into this analytics, get into this internship. First of all, when you're trying to learn, right? Whenever you're trying to learn, of course, you need to go somewhere. Similarly, you already have the community made, right? You already have a community made. You are part of the community. Now, there will be a Google form that will be posted, right? In that community, a Google form is posted. You just have to fill that form. Now, what will happen? Once you fill that form, our backend team will work on it, will take your data, then of course, give you LMS SS. What is LMS, you ask? It's learning management system. How does it looks like? So LMS looks something like this, where we have courses, orientation, learning tool projects. Here in courses, you will be getting assessments. You will be getting assessment every single day. You have to watch those videos. You will be getting some videos And after that, there will be assessment. And assessment will guide you to the LinkedIn page here, like this. Every single day of the learning phase, of the learning assessment, you will be guided to the LinkedIn page. Now, why LinkedIn page? We all know LinkedIn is very much important. Our recruiters are actively hunting for the employees, their employees, right? The potential employees. So when you answer questions here, see, it's not the objective type, it's a subjective questions. It's subjective questions, right? So when you answer those questions, your recruiter can see that you are interested in this, right? You somewhere or the other, you are posting answers and you are creating an impact. So, of course, at the very same time, contributing to the community too. So your recruiter will see all these things, right? And may get in contact with you. At the very same time, of course, when you're here, you should go to our LinkedIn page and, of course, just follow 360DigiTMG, right? This is really very useful. Now, let us first go back to internship. Now, we were talking about the learning phase. And of course, after that will come the project phase. Now, what will happen in project phase? In project phase, we will assign you a data science expert who has rich experience, of course, in working on real world projects, and they will guide you thoroughly through the project completely. So, what will happen? During your project phase, of course, once the learning phase is over, during your project phase, there will be daily stand-up meeting for 15 minutes. Yes, when we say 15 minutes, it will be 15 minutes. It will be from Monday to Friday to discuss what is done and what must be done for next day and any risk or challenges that you have. You must be facing some problem. Yes, we'll solve that then and there. But yes, that will be for 15 minutes. And you will get to know the importance of time management. Where will we get this project? Again, in our LMS, here, like this, right? Here, like this, you'll get your project. Now, this is a different scenario. Let's talk about it later. Now, what will happen after that? What will happen when you successfully complete that? When you successfully complete your projects, you will get a certificate of completion, completely free. You will be awarded that certificate from 360DigiTMG. As I discussed previously too, this is a free program and certificate is also free. We do not charge anything before, during, or after the internship. And yes, this program will start from tomorrow. So let me take you to some of the initiative. We are talking about LinkedIn, right? First of all, when we are talking about LinkedIn, please go and subscribe or message us for follow us on LinkedIn. I'll just post this link in the chat box. There you go. This is our LinkedIn profile. Also, you can see we are posting, certainly we are posting something or the other every single day. And yes, you will see very, very interesting posts, right? We are posting, we are updating every single day. See this, every single day assessment. You will see assessment, learning assessment for the previous batch, right? Now, after this, when you are in here, let me take you to our YouTube channel too. In our YouTube channel, you know what we have for you? Lot of videos. In fact, if you go to the playlist section, you can see there are many playlists. Unlocking data side insights, Gen AI we are talking about. Again, there is a preparation session, project explanation, international research article publication. Yes, and in international research article publication, you see All these are our students, right? All these are students who got their papers published. Yes, our students get their papers published when they work on live project, and we are very proud of that, right? Imagine that you having your paper published in the international journal, and your recruiter seeing all these things on your resume. It is very much important, right? And what an impression it will make on your recruiter. Now, I'm putting this link here in the chat box. You can visit our YouTube channel and subscribe to it. So when you see, we have again rapid minor, and yes, we have lot of placement success stories here on YouTube. When you go here, you can clearly see placement success stories that we have, exclusive interviews. All these are our students, and from different background. Your background doesn't matter, right? Whatever you did till now, it's good. Doesn't matter if you are from technical or non-technical background. This thing matters, right? So now from here, let me take you to our beautiful website. This is our website, 360DigiTMG's website. Here, what do we have? You can see we have a popular courses here. Domain analytics we talk about always, right? It's here. We have 76 plus domains. And yes, you can talk about our alumni. You can connect to our alumni and read their success stories too, right? Of course, you can visit our YouTube channel, like we just saw, and see what our alumni say about us. So you can actually see our alumni's work at various big companies, right? So also here we have mind maps for you, that is completely free and easy for easy internalization of concept. Remember, we are talking about learning phase. Yes, you can come here. For example, you want Python fundamentals. If you are revising Python, okay, you need to sign up for that, and you can sign up for that and continue. We have Python fundamentals, data science workflows, and yes, you can go for each and everything, right? So yes, when you sign up, you put your name, phone number, email, location, and yes, you will be easily in a position to access our website, right? Also, we have learning resources for you. Learning resources such as resume mapper, we have resume optimizer, we call it now. We have digital learning library, AI design studio for ML. There are so many things completely free just for you, right? So just come and visit us here in our website. You will see a lot of material that are present there just for you, right? I'm putting this in the chat box too. Yes. Now, let's continue further. Let's get back to our slides. Yes. So let me revise it once more so that you get clarity if you joined late. We are talking about free data science and data analyst internship by 360DigiTMG. Again, our contribution to the community. We are talking about internship that are in two phases. Of course, phase one is learning phase, where you have to learn again Python, SQL, preliminary data preliminaries. You just need to refresh, and of course, you need to fill the Google form that is available in your community or will be posted in your community soon. And when you fill that, you will get LMSSs. We just saw how the LMS looks like. You will be getting videos every single day there. After that, you will be having assessment, which will direct you to the LinkedIn page. And yes, you will give those assessment. Again, assessment are subjective; they are not objective, right? And you have to type those assessment there in the chat box or in the comment box. You have to write those answers, and when you write those, you are somewhere creating an impact, right? Your visibility, you're enhancing your visibility on LinkedIn so that your recruiter can see you, right? So the project phase we have, You will be having 15 minutes meeting. More you will discuss about it later. And of course, you will be getting certificate of completion once you complete this project. Right. All you have to do is sign the Google form. Right. This into that will be shared in your community. So this is it from our side, team. For with the next week, we will be here again. And yes, this project is starting tomorrow, right? And we don't charge anything, right? This is just from our side a contribution to our community, all free just for you. Okay, so we'll meet again next week, team, with a new project, right? Till that time, enjoy your weekend, enjoy your week, and yes, stay